Hi, thanks for watching. Before we start, we are doing a giveaway of 700 XRP. To participate, you need to like this video, subscribe and comment Algorand to the moon. Algorand is a self-maintaining, decentralized, blockchain-based network that upholds a large number of uses. These frameworks are secure, versatile and productive, all basic properties for powerful applications in reality. Algorand will uphold calculations that require solid execution assurances to make new types of trust. The Algorand mainnet turned out to be live in June 2019 and had the option to deal with very nearly 1 million exchanges each day as of December 2020. Algorand exchange measurements can be seen here. Algorand starting coin offering ICO was held in June 2019 with the Algorand cost of $2.40 per token. Who are the pioneers behind Algorand? Silvio Miccoli is a teacher of software engineering at the Massachusetts Organization of Innovation and the organizer behind Algorand. He is a beneficiary of the Turing Grant in 2012 for his basic commitments to the hypothesis and practice of secure two-party calculation, electronic money, digital currencies, and blockchain conventions. This makes him one of the first makers of crypto on the planet. What makes Algorand remarkable? Algorand was created to accelerate exchanges and further develop effectiveness in light of the sluggish exchange seasons of Bitcoin and other blockchains. Algorand is planned with the goal that there are lower exchange expenses, as well as no mining, like Bitcoin's energy-concentrated process, as it depends on a permissionless unadulterated confirmation of stake, POS, blockchain convention. Algorand's similarity with Ethereum. On February 17, 2022, the Algorand establishment reported a $10 million award to Applied Blockchain to foster the London extension, a trustless scaffold that will carry Ethereum similarity to the Algorand blockchain. Algorand has attempted to draw in liquidity to its biological system, in spite of promising minimal expense exchanges, low idleness and high versatility. Having a scaffold to Ethereum, which right now has the most powerful dApp biological system, would permit Algorand to interface with these applications and draw in greater liquidity. In the long haul, the Algorand establishment means to have check of different chains be performed on Algorand's shrewd agreements by consolidating state confirmations as smaller testaments into the Algorand agreement. This establishment will probably ultimately cement the DeFi environment. On Algorand. How is the Algorand organization gotten? The Algorand blockchain is a permissionless unadulterated evidence of stake blockchain convention. In contrast to evidence of work, POW, blockchains, where the root block should be approved by haphazardly chose validators, utilizing figuring power, in the unadulterated verification of stake approach all of the validators are known to each other and just need to settle on the following block to make another block.